Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to sell or how to upload your own NFT on the SolSea NFT marketplace. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. As you know that NFTs or non-fungible tokens has become one of the important part of the cryptocurrency market. Alongside the Bitcoin or the other, people are currently trading on the NFTs. They are buying, selling NFTs on the Binance, on the most popular exchanges in the world, as they are making lots of money on the NFTs. So in here, step by step, I will show you how to upload or how to create your own NFT on the solsea.io. Solsea is a Solana. So here, step by step, I will show you how to do it. So I will open the browser. Before navigating to the SolSea or to the SolSea NFT marketplace, navigate to Into Crypto, check out the mining tutorials, Binance tutorials, and other coin reviews. Follow the Into Crypto YouTube channel because every day we are giving the updates about the cryptocurrency market condition. So here is the SolSea, solsea.io. SolSea is a Solana. I told you that SolSea is a Solana NFT marketplace where easily you can sell or you can buy NFTs through this website with the lowest fee. Here you can see the open NFT marketplace on Solana. The first NFT marketplace that enables creators to choose and embed license when they mint NFTs. Creators know that they are selling, collectors know what they are buying. Join the revolution. Here you can see minting NFTs with the embedded license. These are the features once I will read for you. SolSea is the first minting platform that allows creators to embed copyright license in NFTs. Ultra low cost and multi-currency support. SolSea allows minting, listing, and transaction at ultra low fees in Solana, USDC, and USD. Rarity rank and score for verified collections. SolSea calculates rarity rank, score, and trades statistics for every full minted verified collection. Public and private NFT listing. SolSea allows creators to make their listed NFTs on sale visible to the public or only privately. The exclusive All Art Circle collection. Here you can see the upcoming collections. There is the All Stars top volume, and there is hot artists, latest listings, and there is the recent sales. You can see that this NFT just sold over 0.50 Solana. This one is 0.02 Solana. You can replace your order. You can put your NFTs on this platform according to your own wish, whether you will sell it for 1 Solana or 8 Solana or 10 Solana. Here you can see popular NFTs like there is the create collections and sell your NFTs. First of all, you have to create a Phantom wallet in order to place your NFT on the solsea.io. First of all, you have to create a Phantom wallet. As I've already did that, so I will provide you the link in the below down description how to install and create Phantom wallet on your Windows PC. And there is, you can see, the first option is you have to connect your wallet. The second one is create your collection, mint your NFTs. What is the meaning of mint? Mint that you are placing the order, you are placing the NFT that you are currently posting that NFT in the SolSea with the price, and you will mint the price that I will sell these NFTs for the current price. So here you can go to the top bar here. First of all, you have to connect your wallet. So click on this. There you can see, please select a wallet. There is Phantom wallet, Solflare, Solid. These are the wallets that have the connection with the SolSea NFT marketplace. So right now I'm using Phantom wallet, and here you can see I'm currently using the Phantom wallet. So I will click on the Phantom. Here you can see it will ask the permission that SolSea want to connect your wallet. So click on the connect option. Here you have to create an account in the SolSea. Log into your account. Is still not registered or you have forgotten your password. Here I'm not registered yet, so I will click on is still not registered. Here you have to enter your email address, the password, and retype password and click on register. Once you have done that, click on the register option. You can say edit your profile, change your profile image, and here is you can change your header image, you can change your name, you can add a biography. So again, I will click on this logo. Here click on the create. Here you can see note. Make sure that all information is correct and double check all spelling before you mint your NFT, because once the process is complete, you cannot edit your NFT. Upload static preview. Here is upload animated preview. Here is upload artwork. Here is the title. You will type the title. Here is the short description. There is the description, royalties from secondary sales. So for example, I will show you the example how you can upload your own NFT. Click on this. I will go to the folder which I have placed the NFT. Here is the NFT that I have created. And again, here you have to upload the animated preview. Here you have to, that is not important. Here is the upload your artwork. Once you are done that, here you have to type a title for this. So I will type it growth. So here you have to type the description. For example, I will type everything can grow the living things. So here is the first short description. Here you have to enter the description. Royalties from secondary sales, I will type it 10. Here is the external link. Here is the tag. You have to type the tag. I will select it all. Here is you have to select your license. Once you are done that, here you can see you cannot edit your NFT after minting. Make sure that all information is correct. So click on this. Here you can see it's asking approve transaction, estimated balance changes, unable to fetch balance changes. The network fee is 0.4 times 01 Solana. So for this, in order to upload your NFTs on the solsea.io NFT marketplace, first of all, you have to transfer from your other exchange wallet to the Phantom wallet the amount of the Solana. Like it will cost at least $1 or $2 to upload your NFT on the Solsea NFT marketplace. Once you have transferred the amount of the Solana to your Phantom wallet, you can see they will ask for 0.4 times 01 Solana. Once you are done with that, so simply you can click on the approve. As you can see, unexpected error failed to send transaction. The amount of Solana is not available in my Phantom wallet. In that case, I cannot upload my NFT to the Solsea NFT marketplace. So guys, this is the way how you can create your own NFT, how you can upload your own NFT, or how you can sell your own NFT on the Solsea NFT marketplace. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.